Oh, a girl hid an air tag inside a piece of chicken and threw it out into the ocean. She immediately started tracking the phone, and soon she noticed that the chicken started to move, and the location kept updating her on the screen. And to her surprise, the chicken traveled 5,000 miles to this lovely house in Eureka, California. Check it out, guys. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, recently painted. All right, guys, that was a quick tour of 2004 Harris Street in Eureka, California. Call me or message me if you guys would like a quick tour. I'll see you guys later. Thank you.